Welcome back to Green River. Today, in the fine working of Green River, we had a little problem with our Georipper Series 6 and the chain came loose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through how to go ahead and change the chain or tighten the chain once it loosens up on the Georipper. So right here, we have the Georipper. And then inside the tool bag that's provided, there's an extra belt for inside the side. You have extra screws, a little mini screwdriver, a Torx wrench to take off some of the other bolts that are on the outside, crescent wrench, and another wrench there. So what we're gonna do is, as you can see, the chain is super loose right now. So what would happen is when we're running it, it'll go ahead and rocks will get in here, the chain will pop off, and it will be a hazard to run the way it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll on the side, and then fold these out of the way. Here's the main sprocket, this is the bar, this is the digging chain. So what we need to do is we need to loosen these two up. What we're gonna do is oh, that was very loose. That was finger tight already. That's not good. All right, so that's pretty loose. Then we're gonna shove the screwdriver into here. That should tighten up the chain pretty good about where we want it. Once that's tightened, we'll go ahead, make sure that is tight. Okay. Once that's tight, we'll go ahead and get this thing snug a little bit. See, we have a little bit of wear here on the front and then on the back. That was from it being so loose and that chain actually rubbing into it. So we're gonna go ahead, tighten that sucker up. Keep on going until it's super tight. And then we do the same for the front bolt. And when these bolts are all really tight, that won't loosen up. So now that's about the right slack that we need on that. And we can bring it up. And on this model, they have another little keeper which stops this bar from driving out. So then all we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen up that bolt, back this one off, and tighten that nut. And that right there is how you go ahead and tighten up the chain on a Georipper, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.